Hi, today I want to share with you how to weave this pattern. I saw this pattern on a website and I think it was quite nice to be a necklace or even a bracelet. So I tried to figure it out myself and I was successful. So I'm going to share with you. It looks quite complicated and actually I made quite a long time of trial and error, but finally I got it right. And then after I did it, I found that actually it wasn't that difficult, not that complicated. So I'm going to share with you. The weave consists of two parts, the inner weave, and in here I used gray and silver, and also the outer cords. 4 of them, 2 on each side, and they act like parentheses to embrace the inner weave. You're gonna need 8 strands of cords, 4 of the same color at the outer edges, and in the original design all the inner cords were of the same color, but I prefer to use different colors to give it more variation. So to start with, we have to bring in the outer cords, the 4 black ones, in the center. To do this, the black ones go over the silver one. The silver ones always go under the black ones, and then go under the gray ones. Black over silver under gray. And then we start to weave the black ones. You use the inner right to go over the inner left, then go under the outer left, and actually it's just under over or over under. So for this one, since it is over, the next one will be under, just like this. One important thing, for the 2 black cords on one side, never crisscross them. That means you don't crisscross them like this, especially when you bring them in. Now we have to bring in the gray and silver back into the center to do the inner weave. To do this, the gray one go over the black on the outer black and under the inner black. The gray one go over the outer black and under the inner black, and then use the left one to go over the right one. So unlike the black ones, which we used the right one to go over the black one, the left one first, but for the inner weave, always the left one going over the right one of the same color. Now we bring in the silver one. The silver ones always go under the black. Always go under the black. And now the left go over the right. Now the gray go inside, and then left over the right, and the gray the silver one go inside again. So we have done 4 weaves, gray, silver, and that is 1 round of inner weave. Actually the inner weave is like this. You bring in the outer one of the same color, and then crisscross them, and then bring in the outer ones of the same color and crisscross them. So it's very simple, right? Like this. Now we have to bring in the black again to the center. Remember what we did just now? Both cords go under gray over silver. Silver is always at the bottom. Go under gray and over silver, and then we start to weave the black ones again, and remember, never cross the black ones. Inner right over inner left, then under outer left, and just do the opposite for the outer right. You may be confused right now, so I have to do some reminding. When you bring in the black cords, both of them go under the gray and over the silver, but when you bring in the gray and silver for inner weave, the gray one go over the outer one, then under the inner one, the gray over outer and under inner. And for inner weave, left over right. Silver always go under black, and when you bring them in, left over right, and then the gray weave, the silver weave, and we finished another round of inner weave. Okay, I've finished 2 more rounds of weave off camera so that you can see the whole pattern, how it looks like if you finish the whole cord or the necklace, whatever you want to make. So it looks quite nice, quite pretty. And in fact, I saw quite a few patterns on the website, and if I can figure out other patterns, that I will also share with you. So stay tuned.